Hi, hope you're doing good. In this video, I thought I would answer a few questions raised by our investors and friends of ours about gold. So the first question goes this way. By the way, this is just not the question about gold, it's also a general question about any asset that keeps falling. Should we stay on the sidelines till the sentiment improves, or should we buy into the weakness? To put it very crassly, everyone wants to be wealthy. So if I believe that the gold is going to go up in the next 2, 3, 4 year time frame, and for some reason it is available cheaply to me, I find it unalloyed good. I don't know why investors are preferring a dollar denominated bond where the real interest is negative. In essence, it is a sure loss for you. But the fact is, if I am able to buy a precious metal that I believe is going to go up in the next 2, 3, 4 year time frame and it is available cheap to me, it is extremely appealing. Before you invest into any asset, it is important to understand the fundamentals of it. And for gold, it is supply. I'm not sure if you would know, but all the gold that is mined till date is in its supply already. But to understand the valuation, you need to understand the relative attractiveness of an asset versus its competitor, which let's say is a bond, right? So for you to produce gold, you have to first find it, go get the permits, finance it, and create a huge overall expenditure as against a bond or a dollar that can be created at the click of a button. So I'm sure you would understand why gold should be even more precious than what it is right now. Let me take you to some market share information. Gold has always formed anywhere between 2 to 3% of the investable market in the US, which is the largest global market. But of late, it has been somewhere around 1% or so. So just now, if the sentiment improves, I'm not saying it has to win the war against dollar or bond, just by sentiment improvement, the demand will either triple or quadruple, and that can very well may happen. Let's move on to the second question now. Yes, it does. Definitely. At the end of the day, the physical market sets a price. Every time there is a gold that is mined and sold in the physical market, it sets the price. Gold or the physical gold demand as a part of the entire gold industry can be as high as 90% or as low as 30 to 40%. This has been the trend. And right now, if you see, it is somewhere between 50-50 in favor of physical market and investment market. Like if you take last year, the price was heavily decided by the investment market. And that's the reason why the gold ETF bought over 850 tons. But this year is a different story. There has been a relentless drawdown, selling everywhere. And that's the reason why the prices have fallen. Just when you start seeing that the gold ETF has started bottoming out, you may very well see that the demand will pick up and that will set new prices. Till then, all the jewelry markets and the physical market will continue to set prices. Let's get to the third question now. That's a very interesting question, and I believe I would invest in the equity space. Let me circle back to the gold market again. The big difference between a Bitcoin and physical gold is that there is a real demand. And what I believe is there is going to be a splendid rebound in gold sales in countries like China and in our own country, India. What I hear is that the gold demand in China this quarter is up 171%. And I see the same happening in India with the wedding season just around the corner. So there will be a point where the physical market will come and say, whatever you're mining, please give it to me because there is enough and more demand. And I think we are going to reach there very soon. So this is great news. Please underline, this is great news for gold prices. Now, you may say, then why gold mining companies. There are two good things about it. One, it is an asset class that is in extreme favor right now, which is equity. Second, they are trading at an attractive valuation. These two, with higher gold prices, make it very, very attractive. By the way, don't consider this as an advice. Please do speak to your own financial advisor before investing in any gold or gold mining companies. I thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Please do ask me more questions. Good day.